One day a lion was sleeping under a tree. A rat came and began to run on the body the lion. The lion caught the rat and said, "How dare you run on my back? You silly little creature." The rat said, "I am sorry, sir. Kindly forgive me." The lion said, "I will punish you." The rat wept and said, "I will never do it again. Please let me go, sir. I will help you someday. Please pardon me this time." The lion laughed loudly, "You little creature. How can you help the king of the forest? But this time, I let you go." The rat thanked him and ran away. After a few days, the lion was caught in the net of a hunter. The hunter fell asleep under a tree. The lion roars and roars loudly. The rat hears the lion's roaring for help. He comes out of its hole and says, "Sir, do not worry. I will nibble all the knots of the nets." He did so. Now, the lion was free.